You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. I hear too many people mispronouncing them. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. There are more videos for you. Ethic is the top word pronunciation. Moral principle. Ethic. The bottom word is the adjective. Ethical. Ethical. How to pronounce in English? Ethical. Ethic. Ethical. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.